Oh shit, I missed the steps. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video on my channel. Today we're going out to Target. We're going to the mall and we're just gonna be chilling because like the stores are open now. I guess the stay-at-home orders got like they don't do them anymore as long as you're like 6 feet apart. So we're just gonna be chilling. We're gonna be hitting the pen and having a good time. If you haven't seen the last video, click right here. Go ahead and watch it and let me know what you guys think about and leave a comment. Look at that shit. I think they're planning on raiding this shit, dog. They're not finna raid this one by tonight. Hella cops up in this bitch. Well, 3, not hella, but guess I'm not raiding this shit tonight. Bro, this lady coughing, y'all. This lady coughing. Oh no, she rolling. She rolling. Hold on. She rolling a blunt, I think. Why you coughing? That lady high as hell. And she was coughing. I thought she had the Rona. He wanna cough, bro. He wanna cough. He took a big ass hit of the pen, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's hurting his chest.
It's hurting his what?
His chest.
He said it's hurting his chest.
It does that shit always though.
Hell yeah. That shit hurt crazy. Oh, your like throat. That shit hurt like crazy. Yeah, right here. Cause you be coughing. Yeah, cause you cough.
Ya ni hablarle ni decirle cuánto. Ni hablarle quiere uno. Qué pedo, yeah.
She tried to see who you were with, right?
Huh?
She tried to see who I was, right?
Hell yeah.
Hey, I saw that bitch peeping, bro. Fuck that hoe.
Poco tiempo que ingresaba, primer mal en mi aventada, hace 15 kilos de coca y el primer se pega.
We going to that bed, look. This nigga high as a bitch, but look at my brother in the back. You already know we got the pen on deck. Hit that shit. Give it one big hit. One big hit. Go ahead. With the lights and shit, I already know. That nigga about to cuff his lungs up. Keep it in. Let me get it. Keep it in. Yeah, that shit feel good. Yeah, we in that car wash. Let me take one. Alright guys, so I was just chilling. I was minding my own business, smoking, when my brother hit me up. He hit me up on the phone. He was like, hey yo, this guy sent me, you know what I'm saying, these edibles. You interested? I was like, send me a picture. And he sent me the picture. I was like, oh hell yeah. So that same moment I grabbed the keys and we all pulled up to pick it up. And this is what we ended up getting, which is a Sour Patch. This is the Sour Patch THC, 300 milligrams. The Sour Patch Kids, I can't get it out. But I want to see how good it is because I remember one time I tried one and it was booty. It didn't really do shit to me. So as you can see, they're sealed. We're gonna open them up. So we got them opened up. We can definitely smell the gas, but as you can see, there isn't really a lot of Sour Patch Kids, which I wasn't expecting a lot because these are edibles and you really don't get a lot. But for what I paid and the amount of Sour Patch I got, it was pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So I'm planning on eating like 1.5 to see how it actually kicks in before I actually go in and actually eat all of them. You know what I'm saying? I want to see if it actually hits, and that's why I also haven't hit my dab pen. I got my dab pen right here next to me, but I haven't hit it because I want to see if it actually hits. So I ended up eating one. I want to see how good it really is, how much one really does, and I put a timer up to see how long it would kick in. I would get around 30 minutes, but so far we're in for we're about to do two minutes. But we're about to do 2 minutes. I'll let you guys know in 30 minutes or so whenever it hits on how it's feeling. Now we're on the I ate 2 more because the first one didn't do much effect. So 2 more.